If you're looking to schedule vulnerability scans in Tenable, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the steps to do this quickly and effectively so you can ensure your network stays secure without wasting any time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to schedule scans like a pro, saving you time and effort in the long run. Before we get into it, remember you can use Tenable for completely free by clicking the first link below. We've secured exclusive bonuses just for you, so don't miss out. Alright, let's dive in. First off, to schedule a vulnerability scan in Tenable, you need to log in to your Tenable account. Once you're in, navigate to the Scans tab. This is where you'll set everything up. You should see an option for creating a new scan. When you click that, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose the scan type you want to schedule. The second thing you'll do is configure the scan settings. Pick the scan that suits your needs, such as an advanced scan or a simple network scan. Here, you can adjust the target range, including IP addresses, subnets, or any other network segments you want to scan. This is important because you want to make sure you're scanning the right assets to catch any vulnerabilities that could pose a risk. Next thing, you'll move to the scheduling section. This is where you can set when you want your scan to run. You can choose a recurring scan, so Tenable runs it automatically at set intervals, like weekly or monthly, or you can schedule a one-time scan. If you choose recurring, make sure to adjust the time and frequency according to your network activity, so the scan won't interfere with peak usage times. The fourth thing you should consider is notifications. This is where you can set up email alerts, so you'll know as soon as the scan is finished or if any vulnerabilities are detected. Set up alerts to make
Sure you don't miss anything critical. Now, let's talk about saving your settings.
Once everything is configured, hit the Save button and your vulnerability scan is scheduled. Tenable will take care of the rest, automatically scanning your network based on a schedule you've set. This means you'll always stay on top of any potential vulnerabilities without having to manually run the scan every time. At the end of the video, don't forget that by clicking the first link below, you get an extended free trial of Tenable with exclusive bonuses. So that's how you schedule vulnerability scans in Tenable. Simple, right? This quick setup will help you keep your network secure without breaking a sweat. You can rest easy knowing Tenable has got your back, and with the scheduled scans, you won't need to worry about running them manually. Make sure to use the link below to take advantage of that exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.